Well, hello there. It's Thursday evening. No, it's not. It's Tuesday. Sorry. September 18th, maybe, 2018. And it's 7:40 p.m. up here in northeastern Ohio. And we have a 69% moon up there over in the south. And I don't want to spend a lot of time on it because over by that tree, we're waiting for Jupiter to come up. Jupiter's been so low on the horizon for me that probably within a couple days it's gonna dip below the trees and I won't have a chance to see it again until next year when it begins rising in the east. Maybe around May, something like that. Anyway, it's still a little bit too light out for it, so let's go on up and take a look at the moon here. Just to know, I have it on the lowest number aperture and lowest shutter, which is 1/60. Slowest, I mean. And we're on movie manual mode. And manual focus, all that good stuff. I'm not sure what ISO I have it at. Maybe about 200, I guess. 200 to 400, I'm not sure. I forgot to look. Okay, this on the recording it doesn't show what how far zoomed in we are millimeter wise, so just take a brief glance here and inch up a little bit and zoom. God, that bottom edge is just so cool. Okay, there we go. That should bring it into focus better. And I did up the shutter speed to 1/160 so it wouldn't be washed out. And the aperture automatically goes to f8 for when you zoom in this far. But anyway, alright. So I did say I was at max zoom, right? Oh yeah, that reminds me, wonder if I should lighten it again. I forget what I had it on the other night. The monitor tends to make it look lighter than what it does when we go in, so I'm going to keep it this way though for a moment. I want to check out our mesa there in our light beam area. Bright tonight, isn't it? Oh, I know what I missed because we're zoomed in further than the P900 goes. Is our question mark, which is over here. Whoops. Oh, okay, there it is. Yeah, there's our question mark. Yeah, it looks like one to me. What can I say? Let's go up at the top real quick. Well, she appears to be scooting sideways, huh? And not rising? Or maybe a little bit of both, huh? Get to the area here I call the boneyard. I don't know why. It just reminds me of like the giants in their bone field out there. But anyway, while we have the time here, hello everybody. Over the last couple days there's been quite a few hundred new people that have come into my channel, and well, first off, let's say hello. And many of you don't know me, so I'm just an old lady up here in northeastern Ohio who enjoys sky watching, and I am awake and very untrusting of official sources. I do take an alternate view most of the time and have a very conspiratorial, is that the right word? Mind. throughout the years I've captured some amazing stuff up there, some unknown things zipping around. But to tell you the truth, those are rare occurrences. They don't happen every night and all that. And I am just an amateur and teaching myself the cameras, and so an amateur photographer, amateur astronomer. Hey, I'm just a sky watcher, what can I say? Come on, Jupe, where are you, bud? Alrighty, I do see Jupiter, so we're going to take a little trip further away. I wish I would have changed the ISO before I started, but I'm going to back us up here. Alright, so there's our moon in the south. Okay, so over here in the southwest, we do have a Jupiter. No, it's not looking too bad or too great. I don't know. At least we can see the bands. I don't see the red spot there though. Alright, so what we're going to do, we'll have to shut it off and change the ISO and brighten things up so we can take a look at the old moons up there. I shall be right back. Alrighty, there we are. We have it on 3200, so it's very bright. Well, I don't like how they're coming out because it's so grainy, so I'm going to go down to I'm going to change. I'll be right back. I already went back and changed it to 1600 because it was so damn grainy. So is this, but anyway, I think we have Europa out in the lead tonight, and Callisto's way in the back there, bringing up the rear. I like the configuration the other night when it was the like triangle out in front. That's cool. So, yeah, here's hoping we have about a week, maybe 2 weeks. I don't know, but I might be stretching it to be able to still get Jupiter after the sun goes down. Now, where is Saturn? I'm going to take a few pictures and I'll be right back. Alrighty, sorry for the grainy image, but to be able to see Saturn, I have to really crank it up. So it's at 3200 now. And it's over to the right of the moon there, as we can see. A little flicker of light. Okay. I was hoping to be able to get Titan in here. I don't really see it though. It should be about the 7 o'clock position, but let's change it up so we can get a better view of Saturn itself. So I just changed the shutter speed to 1/320. Alright, there's our ring one. I think that's the best I'll be able to get it in. It's not too bad, but I can never tell for sure until we go in the house and look on the computer. Okay, so as Saturn takes its journey here, I'll explain. I did get the remote today. I was real excited about it. No, I got it yesterday. And it seemed to work fine. Not a problem. But then today when I hooked it up to the tripod and the external monitor, I was like, what the hell? What's going on? It won't work. Bluetooth won't connect. So apparently you can't use the remote with the HDMI cable plugged in. I'm hoping that's just a software, or what do you call it, a firmware issue, and it can be fixed. I really hope so. Because it was really cool being able to zoom in and focus with the remote. But I rely so much on the external monitor because, like I told you before, I'm an old lady and I have bad eyes. So having a 7-inch monitor helps so much. Yeah, one issue after another. And I'm not nitpicking or anything, but just explaining my issues. Alright, that's enough of Saturn. We're going to go off and hunt for one more. I don't see any stars by eye. Just so you know, because I live in the city and we have light pollution and all that good stuff here. Ah, there we go. We can get all three of them in the shot. So to the right of the willow tree and to the left of the moon is Mars. Let's go in and take a gander at them. Okay, I'm not going to be happy with this so until I turn the ISO down for Mars. I didn't do it yesterday, so I'll be right back. Alright, I'm sorry about that, but I'm just having a hard time dialing it in. Anyway, we're on ISO 200 and 1/200 for the shutter, so I look at our orange buddy, brother, whatever. Thanks everybody for coming over. Be nice now. And with so many comments on the video, wow. I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep up now. I try to, but because I like talking to you guys. Anyway, and that should do it. I have a lot of footage to go through, so I'm going to wish you all a great night and wonderful Wednesday, if that's what it is tomorrow. Alright, good night now.